If a picture is worth 1,000 words, how much is a video worth? The possibilities are endless. Hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a lifetime member of the Hollywood Winner Circle, but I'm also a YouTube coach. I am so blessed to be kicking off another session of YouTube with Wendy Alane Wright. Wendy and I have been teaching these YouTube classes for over a year now. I love it so much. If you're a coach, a mentor, an actor, a filmmaker, if you're creating something that you know deserves to be seen, we want to help you get more eyes on it. When I say eyes, I'm not talking about a couple hundred views. I'm talking about thousands. I'm talking about millions, because between the two of us, Wendy and I have over 15 million lifetime views on YouTube, and we've created more than 1,600 videos. You know you're too creative to have a day job. Me too. YouTube is going to replace mine by the time I'm 62. I'm hell-bent on that, and I'm taking you with me. If you're ready to sign up now, go to the description because the enrollment link is there. For those of you who need more social proof, I am so excited to share this with you. Keep watching. I'll link a deep dive on the many tools we teach. When that's ready, it'll be linked. In the meantime, I'll see you in class. I'm so excited.
Okay. Let's go one by one and talk to both of us about why you want to create a YouTube channel. You can start, Zach, because I know you're already thinking about it or already starting it.
Yeah,